lot of requests on Facebook. Autumn, teach us how to take a good selfie. I think that's a compliment. I think. Unless y'all thinking, damn, she looks good in those pictures, but have you seen her in real life? If that's what y'all thinking. Alright, so if you want to know how to get your perfect selfie for your Facebook profile picture or your Instagram page, then just keep watching. Alright, the first thing that we need in order to take a successful selfie is some good photo editing apps, because there are flaws that need to be corrected before I'm going to change my profile picture on Facebook. You know what I mean? So there's two apps that I use on the regular. One is Photoshop Express. We'll be using that one today. And the other one is Facetune. I usually... I don't mind telling y'all my secrets, but I hate talking about all the shit I put my selfie through before I post it. I usually take a picture through both apps before it hits Facebook. Okay, so let's take a picture. We got to get that hair right. Okay, so rule number 1, lighting matters. I don't care that you have a flash on your phone. Natural lighting gives you the best selfies. Okay, so you need, go stand by a window. You don't want the sun directly in your face, but you need that natural lighting. It's going to brighten your eyes. It's going to sort of soften your complexion. So lighting matters. You know what else matters? Your angle. Angle matters. I had someone one time tell me, your selfies are all from the same angle. Yes, they are. Because angles matter. So, I never take a selfie straight on. Never, ever. Never, ever. Because when I take a selfie straight on, oh, I don't like my face shape. My nose is too big. And yeah, I practice self-love. So don't take any of these critiques as me hating on myself. That's not what it is. But there's just features I don't particularly care for. And I got to find a way to take a picture of myself and not enhance those features. You feel me? Okay, so yeah, we are not taking a picture straight on. Another thing you don't want to do is take it low. Look at that double chin. Look at that double chin. No. Alright, so here's how you need to take a selfie. First of all, most of us have a preferred side of our face, right? This one is mine. I don't know what yours is. But if you notice, almost all of my selfies are from this side of my face. So, I'm going to take a selfie. I don't have a lot of natural light in here, so hopefully it'll turn out. I'm going to take the camera up because that's going to thin my face and add an angle. Alright, we're going to run with that one. It's the one we took. But you know, another little secret to the selfie game is I may take 50 before I get that one that I am going to post. Alright, so we want to run it through Photoshop first. So let's open our Photoshop Express. Okay, we're recording our screen, I think. So let's get our Photoshop Express. Now the first thing I like to do is just take a regular filter. So I'll click on basic. My favorite one is spring. Do you see how that just automatically brightened that picture and I didn't have to do a whole lot to it? Now I'm going to crop that picture because, you know, let's take a little bit of that forehead off. Let's get that vent out of the way. Boom. Now we got something to work with. All right, so let's go over to this section. This is where we really can alter the photo quite a bit. So I want to increase the contrast just a little. So let's take that up to 20. That's going to really make like my eyeshadow and things just a little bit brighter. Now I like to go over to the whites and make the whites, make the whites just a little bit brighter. All right, now we're going to make the blacks just a little bit darker. You know, we want that eyeliner to kind of pop a little bit. Let's put that on 15. All right, now we're going to get to the vibrance. This is where you're going to start seeing a real change in that picture. So let's take the vibrance up to about, let's do about a 10. Now here's the thing with the Photoshop. Some of y'all be doing too much. Some of y'all really be doing too much. And don't get me wrong, I take Photoshop to a whole other level on some of my pictures. But you need to do just enough to make that picture look like, did that girl Photoshop that picture? Like, she Photoshopped that. She don't look like that in real life, right? But make people question whether or not it's Photoshopped. Some of y'all just Photoshop a picture and it's too much. It's too much. All right, I think my phone, no, it's still recording, I think. Oh, I hope so. All right, so now let's go to saturation. We're only going to take that up to about a 10. All right, here's where the magic really happens. Reduce luminous noise. This is where we're going to erase that bad complexion. We're going to take it up to about a 40. All right, so the selfie looks good. Let's save it. All right, now we're about to go to our facetune. All right, here's what I do in Facetune. Quick, easy. This picture is almost Facebook ready, okay? So I go to whiten. Now you want to make that picture bigger, and I'm just going to whiten my pupils just a little bit because they're a little bloodshot. We want those eyes bright and beautiful, okay? Check. Now we're going to details. We're going to focus still on those eyes. Not too much because we don't want... See the difference in the eyes? It's just subtle enough that people just have to question. Now you can also, on this details, you can make those highlight colors just a little brighter. Okay. Looking good, boo. Looking good, boo. Okay. Oh, we want to smooth. We definitely want to smooth. We got to get rid of those wrinkles, okay? And you just rub your finger over the screen. Soften them wrinkles, fine lines. I got too many kids. We don't really have to do too much on the crow's feet. They didn't look too bad today. Okay, now our picture is ready for Facebook. All right, my loves, until next time.